Yes, the topic given to me is Newton-Raphson method, the principle, formula, and an example for it. Well, the Newton-Raphson method is also known as a Newton's method. It's a quick way find a good approximation of the root of real values which have been function of x which is equal to 0. The function of x which is equal to 0 we can only apply for that. It uses the idea that is continuous and differentiable function can be approximated to by the straight line tangent to it. Means we can only find for the straight line tangent of these derivations. The following equations which is given in the problem of the sum, we can take it with the idea of making it to a straight line tangent, and the answer comes out to be a straight line tangent. The problem which is given to us will be of the different variables which is having the function of x, but the right hand side should be equal to 0. If only the right hand side should be 0, then we will go for the Newton-Raphson method, and the formula for the Newton-Raphson method is given there. The formula is xn plus 1, which is if it is a value of x0, the left hand side comes to be x1. If it is a value of x1, the left hand side comes to be x2. If it is a value of x2, we are substituting in the formula, we will get x3. So xn plus 1 gives is equal to xn minus of f of x divided by f dash of x, which is literally means the function of x, the function of x which is equal to 0. We will take that one, and the first derivative is f of x, and the second derivation which is f dash of x is the derivation. If you are getting x square in the equation, we will derive it once more, that is f dash of x. So you will get dy divided by dx, so it comes to be 2x. Likewise, we have to substitute on the numerator and also to the denominator. By subtracting the value, we will get the consecutive. N is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 3. There comes an example for the problem. Establish the formula of f of x n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 x n plus n divided by xn using the Newton-Raphson, and hence formulate the value of the root 2 by the 6 decimals. So the given formula is x is equal to root of n, x is equal to root of n, and squaring the both sides we will get x square is equal to root n, and the x square is equal to root n. We will do the n value on the right hand side will be get towards the left hand side, which will get towards the left hand side, and we'll get x square minus n is equal to 0. This is an f of x value. F of x is equal to x square minus n, so f dash of x comes to be 2x, and the substituting the formula will get xn minus of f of xn divided by f dash of xn minus of, and substituting the f of x and f dash of x will come out to be 2xn square minus of xn square plus n divided by 2xn, and minusing those two terms we will get 1 by 2 root of 1 by 2 bracket xn square divided by x plus n divided by xn, and then the substituting of these terms will get the final answer, not the final answer, which means xn plus 1 answers. We can get the xn plus 1 answers from the f of x and the f dash of x. The root 2 lies between the two terms, which is root 1 and root 3. Which is a positive and the negative values that we already know from the bisection methods from the previous chapters and all. So x naught is equal to 1 by 2, capital N is equal to 2, and substituting the x naught to the equation we will get x1, and substituting x1 to the equation we will get x2, and substituting x3 to the equation we will get x4, and consecutively you are substituting the values and getting the further more values we can relate to the previous values, and checking the previous values we can arrange those things. Means if the previous value and the present values has been same, and we conclude that is the part of the answer. So we are saying that the present term and the previous term has to be same, and to that extent you have to substitute the values on the foregoing terms, that is x0 to x1, like that, and we are tabulating those terms, and tabulation we get x1 xn of 1.2 1.4 4333, like that we will take and multiple values, and getting the 1 2 1 3 and 4 and xn plus 1. See the last two terms, third and fourth term, 1.41214 1.41214, both two terms are equal, and hence that becomes the answer of the Newton-Raphson method. And this is it, we have learned Newton-Raphson method.